The day after Snowmageddon, I went out early, not realizing that it would be difficult to navigate the sidewalks on foot. There were huge piles of snow everywhere, and cleanup had just begun, so when the bus let me out at my stop in the street, I had to first climb up the 4-foot snowbank to get off the street and then climb down again when the light changed. It was dicey. Next, I treated myself to Starbucks before heading to the movies, where I saw the very last showing in my town of The Brutalist on the big screen. Brutalism, from the French béton brut, or raw concrete, is architecture that uses unadorned raw concrete and bold geometric forms. The main character, Laszlo Toth, is fictional, a Hungarian Jew who emigrates to America after the Holocaust. This character was based on other Jewish Hungarian pioneer architects, and the building in the movie was also fictional. Full review in my next post.